In this video, we're going to learn the differences between a subscription and perpetual license for Trimble Access. So what does a perpetual or subscription license mean? Well, a Trimble Access license can either be a perpetual or a subscription. And the perpetual licenses are a one-time purchase for permanent access to the software. Subscription licenses are pay to use on a monthly or annual basis. Perpetual licenses give indefinite use of Trimble Access, and they are bound to the device by its serial number. You can receive updates to your Trimble Access software if the software maintenance is up to date. And this is a one-time purchase that needs to be made, other than if you wanted to add some software maintenance after it expires to then update your version of Trimble Access, or to have access to the following functions: cloud data synchronization via Trimble Connect and into Trimble Business Center, Trimble Maps, or the use of the Internet Base Station Service, IBSS. Perpetual licenses can be transferred to another compatible device by relinquishing the license in Trimble Installation Manager and then forwarding the received confirmation email to Cancel's technical support. You can see in the link here our video on relinquishing perpetual access licenses. Please note that the perpetual license of Trimble Access is compatible with the following devices: the TSC5, TSC7, TDC6, and TDC600, the TCU3, CU5, T7, T10, T10X, and the T100. Subscription licenses are limited to the subscription's duration. After the expiration, access becomes unusable. So it's different than the perpetual license, where your software maintenance can expire, but access is still usable. A subscription license is bound to the user's Trimble ID, which is free to make. You just need to create it, use your email address, and it's basically a way for Trimble to communicate with you. At any point during the subscription, you can update access to any new versions that are released, and there would be a monthly or annual recurring payment for this subscription. With that valid subscription, users have access to the same functions that a perpetual license has when the software maintenance is valid, including the cloud data synchronization via Trimble Connect and Trimble Business Center, Trimble Maps, and again, the Internet Base Station Service. Subscription licenses can be utilized on any compatible device, and the license is locked to that device until the user signs out. So you cannot be on two devices at the same time. The compatible devices are the same as the perpetual licenses, with the addition of the TDC 650. It is the only device that must use the subscription license. So why choose perpetual license? Well, for somebody that up-to-date software isn't exactly a priority, it's nice, but maybe they don't concern themselves with that on a regular basis. Operators are using the same controller every day, so there's no confusion on settings and whatnot. And not wanting to have a monthly or annual subscription charge. And honestly, personal preference is a lot of it as well. Why choose a subscription license? If a user is wanting to always have the most up-to-date software and functions, it's a great choice. If operators are using different controllers regularly, perhaps in different offices and different locations. And again, if the operator has a TD650, then they're going to have to use a subscription license. And if you're looking for less cost up front, and again, it comes down to personal preference. Some people like to have that subscription. Some people like to just have the perpetual license. It's all up to the user. You can always reach out to our CanLearn website for any online learning and our sales support option here if you scan the code. Contact them to inquire about Trimble Access licenses. This concludes the video on Trimble Access licenses, perpetual versus subscription. Thank you.